look around. Having a party out here, huh? Yeah. Aw. Aw. Come on, Blue. Come back, Blue. Look at Blue. Wow. That's something. Look at these little guys. Yeah, look how cute. Aww. This guy is very active. They like peanuts. Oh my god. Where you going? This one is blind. Yeah, look. On the other side, he's got a hurt eye. I think this is his girl right here. See? Aww. So this is Betty. Hi, Betty. I gave him names, even though I have not come any closer to him. And that's Benny. Oh no, that's not Benny. There's Benny. This is Billy Bob. Billy Bob's got the hurt eye. Oh my god, isn't it scary? You guys are so cute. Yeah, you better stay over there though. I didn't get you any collars. I wonder what they would wear. A flea collar, because they're always itching and I don't want to get close to them. Aww, thanks for letting me record you guys. You're beautiful. And then we have Roxy dog. Hey Roxy. Roxy, look.